At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, the High Command of the Jamaica Constabulary Force says it has identified an elevated threat against police officers due to the recent violence in St. Catherine North. My wisdom warriors, talk truth now. Who really has sent threat to them? How much of them security forces die since? Talk truth. Then go into the community and them a treat the people them bad. Then go into the community and a bully the people them. And a assault the people them because the people then come out and attack, and the people them also making complaint to their MPs. And the resident then not tell no lie. I believe them. So uno JCF come out now and come chat about how people are threatening uno. Nobody not threatening uno. Uno are the threat against we. Uno are threatening we. Uno are threatening we because uno come in our community, come bully we and assault we, and we don't like it. You understand me? But me like the people them, in the community, Me like the people them, vote them out. And that enough to do. Vote them out. Don't quarrel and fuss with them, my people. Don't quarrel and fuss with them. Just vote out this government. Because I see people are put laughing emojis all over and talk about government badness. Government badness? Really and truly. You know how much people lose their lives? You know so much people the police kill? Indicom is so concerned. Indicom is so concerned. But still, uno no care. Still, you guys don't care. Uno don't care. Imagine, my people, Indicom come out and tell them, say, you know what? We have to reduce, we have to reduce on this killing of resident thing. We have to calm down. They don't want to calm down. Them don't want to calm down. Look how much people wanna kill accidentally and cover it up. Well, uno claim say uno kill them accidentally, but we all know so that is a lie. We not believe uno. Uno can come and chat all this rubbish. We still not believe uno. And we just want to get out Andrew Wellness, We just want to get out Andrew Wellness. I strongly believe him are the instigator behind all these things. I strongly believe. I could have wrong my people. You don't have to agree with me, but this is my opinion. You understand? Because he's not doing anything. Him not do nothing. You see, he make sure he take all of the money and equip the security forces. When you look, the healthcare system, I go straight down to the ground. Education straight down to the ground. Everything else straight down to the ground. But look at the security forces. How much billions of dollars him spend on them. And a pure innocent people are dead. Yeah, majority of the people them we are dead are innocent people. It is really sad, It is really sad. And if Andrew Wellness, Horace Chang and the whole of them, this government behave like this, you really want Andrew Wellness to be the president of Jamaica? You need to think twice. You hear me? You need to think twice. My people, taking Peter Bunting.
Local police have a very good relationship with the communities. You can see that they've been building trust, and the results in these two zones of St. Catherine South reflect that they're making progress. What was disturbing, however, was that in a number of communities we kept getting reports of operational teams from outside those zones. In particular, we kept getting reports of a particular district constable who has what I would describe as a fascist approach to policing. And that team has been a number of operations where there have been police fatal shootings. They're known to be bullying communities. And we really are calling for a special investigation by the High Command and by INDICOM of the activities of this special police squad. We are right here now at a home where a young man was killed in a police operation. Man answered, it is reported to us by the community that the man answered the door with a baby in his hand, and there was dozens of police on that operation. He was directed to hand over the baby to the mother. The mother was sent in the bathroom, and shortly after she heard explosions, and that was it for that young man. The community insists that he was not involved in any wrongdoing, and this is the type of action that undermines the professional police officers who day and night are doing a good job to build trust, but it only takes one suspicious fatal shooting to undermine all the work that the dedicated police officers have done. So we are making ourselves available to the community in a town hall meeting as we wrap up the tour, and we will continue to listen to the concerns of the community members. We are going to, in our respective capacities, make representation to both the police high command and to INDICOM, letting them know the feedback we've got from the communities. And notwithstanding the progress that has been made, it's a fragile progress. And St. Catherine South has 2 or 3 times the number of murders at this time of the year, of this year versus last year. I believe they had 3 year to date last year. This year they've gone 10. Fortunately for Portmore zones, most of those took place in either the Old Harbour zone or Central Village zone. But whatever progress has been made is fragile. Sustainable success in reducing violent crime is going to be based on trust in the police by the citizens of the respective communities. And so we're calling on the authorities to ensure that this particular operational team, seemingly always present with this district constable, who some say are asking if he's the most powerful rank in the police force. And we're calling for an investigation into the operations of this individual and the teams he accompanies. He's not a full-time police officer, and we really need to understand what is taking place here, because he seems outside of the control, the close control anyway, of the police commissioner.
So my wisdom warriors, wanna hear what Peter Bunting has say. Wanna hear what Peter Bunting has say? They're touring the place and the people them are complain. The people them are complain. Let me tell you something, man. Wanna know my thinking already? Somebody very strong behind all this, because they just go in a community and just kill people for no reason. Just like how they kill the youth. Go knock on the door, the youth come out with the baby, ask the youth to hand over the baby to the baby mother. The baby mother was sent to the bathroom and then they kill him. The whole of them need to go to prison. Seriously, the whole of them to go to prison. It is wrong. It is unacceptable. It is unacceptable. And for some reason, Andrew Wallace feel like he have the place locked. Brother, you don't have the place locked. We want to get you out. We want to get you out. Because our citizens are dying. Because of you. And you cause the whole of this. You're always strong and uno me a blame. Uno me a blame. You understand me? Uno me at half of the press a blame. Uno too damn wicked. Uno come out and kill innocent people. When me always tell you, wisdom warriors, when me always say, anytime they send out the Zozo them or send out the police them to do curfew a certain area, just look, especially when it come to PNP area, then just go and kill. It is wrong. It need to stop. It need to stop. And the only person when me really secure about this is INDICOM. Only INDICOM alone care. Horace Chang, Him no give a shit because he say shoot to kill and ask question after. And me see Indy come out. Day in, day out. Them come out and them attack. They not happy with what is happening. But Andrew always feel like, oh, we're catching the criminals. And hello, wanna kill more than the criminals. Wanna kill more than the criminals. Wanna for stop it. Wanna for stop it. Wanna wicked. Me really sorry for the people them, you know. Me really sorry for the people them. And nothing not gonna come out of it. Nothing not gonna come out. And then me hear people talk about Jamaica is the best right now. That is a damn lie. That is a damn lie. Because back in the day, in the 90s, police never usually go nobody had a kick off door and just a kill just like that. That never used to happen. So when me hear uno dirty thinking labor right come out, you see uno? You see uno? Mighty God of Daniel. No worry on yourself, man. And your wholeness, same one, I go give uno way. Uno look for. Uno see it start already. Uno see it start already. I just a start. I just a start. Anyway, my people, take in Babsy Grange.
St. Catherine Central, Oliver Babsy Grange is encouraging the business community to reopen their establishments because there's nothing to fear and there will be no further disruption.
We are back to the normal operation and functioning of this division. So I just want to say to the public and to the citizens of Spanish Town, we're moving forward. To the business community, please open up your business. We're back to normal.
The relationship between residents and the police took a hit on Wednesday after the lawmen were stoned and their vehicles damaged after they attempted to apprehend a man from the area. Ms. Grange has since condemned the incident and says a meeting will be arranged with the community and the police for the residents to air their grouses.
I've also indicated to the superintendent that I would want the police or the security forces to be professional in carrying out their duties. And I've had too many complaints about unprofessionalism.
Meanwhile, we asked Ms. Grange if she knew the deceased Othniel Thickman Loban.
I don't really interfere in police matters. And the police have always been able to function. They come into a community, they're looking for a particular individual. Nobody prevents them from doing so. And as I said, in communities, all types reside.
We also asked her about Mr. Loban and his activities in the community.
Based on the relationship you had with the commander, has he ever said to you that, Ms. Grange, we're looking for X or Y person?
No, he has never ever said that to me.
Do you know Tickman to be a troublemaker in the community?
Not to my knowledge, but I cannot question the police in terms of what they may say.
Understand.
And I totally leave that up to the police.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
My wisdom warriors, wanna listen to Babsy Grange a while ago? Wanna listen to Babsy Grange? As she are the real Dan Dada down there so. Because the police then couldn't get business for up no back. Them couldn't get the people them for do this and do that. But she can come and I tell people for up about them business so. So who are the real gangster? As she are the gangster. She know everything we are ratted will happen. Make sure go away. You know see her there? I grow on the question, round and round like merry-go-round. My people, where we don't know all and we. Where we don't know all than we. You hear me? She know exactly what is happening. Remember say a long time she mix up with them the set of people there, you know. A fear type of people them there, you know. So if she can come and put a stop into everything just like that, and the police then couldn't do it, and she had the real gangster around here. You hear me? And we leave it right there. So my wisdom warriors, tell me what you think, tell me how you feel about this, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey girl.
Hey Gabby, what's up?
Hey, Gabby, what going?
All right, guys. So I just checking in because remember, it's that time of the year again.
Huh? Like what you mean? Like Christmas? New Year?
Valentine, it's that time.
Guys, no. Okay, all right, that was my fault. Guys, it's time again for us to get Jamaicans registered to vote. We are looking for unregistered persons and we're encouraging them to come on the list. And those persons that we register, we want them to register some more people. Because guess what? Remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
Believe no man, we really need to do the thing.
Hey, so what about them people who live side of me this? What about my neighbor?
I know say you have no neighbor and friend. We're calling all of them because remember, we have up to March 31, the 31st of March to get people registered. So remember, friends don't let friends vote alone. So tell a friend to tell a friend.
Wait a second, Gabby. Tell a friend to tell a friend. No problem.
You're quick, sir. And the man sent a broadcast message.
Guys, we have to remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
People, time come now.
Let the trumpets play.